Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology and Massage Cupping. Today I'm going to show you how to treat the digestive area of the feet. And the digestive area, it spans across both the right and the left foot. So we're going to be working on both feet at the same time. So get comfortable, and I'm going to start off with the lower area of the digestive system. And I'm just using my knuckles to just knuckle on the heel of that area of the foot. And I do it on both feet. And it's just because we want to loosen up what's at the lower end of the digestive tract. And that's what will work its way out of the body first, whatever matter is in that area. And now I'm going to thumb walk the lower area of the intestines as well on the foot. And I'm just thumb walking. If my fingers got tired, I could finger walk across that area too. Now I'm going to go back to the other foot, and I'm going to thumb walk across. So the goal is to thumb walk the lower areas first, and then we'll work our way up to the upper areas of the digestive tract. Again, use your fingers to finger walk if you get tired. And you can also use your knuckles to knuckle parts of the intestinal tract on the feet. And I use it to knuckle all the way down. We're doing it on both feet to make sure we loosen everything up. And you'll feel the energy in the feet. It's really great how much stimulation occurs when you're doing reflexology. The reflexes just respond to it beautifully. So now we're going to get even more complicated, if you like. And we're going to go up the ascending colon, across the transverse colon on the right foot, and then we're going to continue across the transverse colon and down the descending colon, the sigmoid colon, and rotate on the rectum and the anus reflexes. So we'll start off with the right foot, and I'm going to knuckle up those reflexes, and I'm just using one knuckle. And actually I'm going to stroke up the ascending colon across the transverse colon, continue along the transverse colon on my left foot, down the descending colon on the left foot, to the sigmoid colon, and then to the rectum and the anus. So we have finished off the digestive system, and hopefully you'll feel a lot better and get a lot of great relief. Take care, everybody.